Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview strategy tester. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step, sorry about that. The first step is going to be to select the strategy tester option. So go ahead and select the strategy tester option from the menu, and this is going to take you to the strategy tester page where you can backtest and optimize your trading strategies. Step 2 is going to be to create a new strategy. So you want to go ahead and create a new strategy and give that a name, and you can choose from various strategy types, including long or short, as well as scalp. Step 3 is going to be to set up your strategy. So set up your strategy by adding parameters and settings, and you can always adjust the strategy settings to suit your specific needs. And step 4 is going to be to backtest your strategy. So backtest your strategy using historical data, and you can view the strategy results on a chart for better details. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview strategy tester. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one.